Dear students, from this chapter Business Service, today in this video lesson, we are going to learn about the concept banking. The last class we discussed about the different services and what is the role of service in business sector. So banking, insurance, communication, and lots of services are there that helps the business people to grow their business. So today banking is our topic. So let's learn what is banking from the concept. Everyone know finance is the lifeblood of business. Without finance, the business can't grow and run ahead. Every time it serves the business people a great deal to deal with the customers and every parties involved in the business. So every time without the support of banks or banking institution, maybe government or private, they can move for the business. So everyone need money for the successful running of the organization. So whenever they need, maybe for the purchase of raw materials or for the production or for the distribution of goods, they need fund. So in that situation, banks helps with the necessary amount of financial support. So we have to know more about what are the different types of banks. Normally in our locality, four types of banks are there: commercial banks, cooperative banks, specialized banks, and central banks. Commercial banks, cooperative banks, specialized banks, and cooperative banks and central banks. So we will learn in detail what are the different types of banks. So public sector banks, banks which are controlled by government or the public, that is known as public sector banks. Public sector banks are those banks in which the government has major stake or major role. Because of this, government can emphasize on social objectives besides profitability. So majority of the public sector banks deals in serving the public without much giving importance for profitability. But private sector banks are against that, against the concept of service. They're interested to earn maximum profit. So it is controlled by private parties. It is owned, managed, and controlled by private parties. So these type of two banks are coming under commercial banks, which help the business people in a great way. So public sector banks and private sector banks coming under commercial banks, which give maximum financial assistance for the business people and also for the public. And the next one is cooperative banks. Already we have learned in the chapter forms of business organization what is cooperative banks. The main motto of this type of bank is to serve the members whenever they need financial assistance. They will give maximum financial assistance and also they will give assistance in other material forms. So serving is the main motto of cooperative society. And the next one is specialized banks and central bank. Specialized bank, as the name indicates, they run some specialized activities, like they are supporting the foreign exchange, importing and exporting of the products, and also they are helping for industrial sector, the development of rural areas. So best example for specialized bank is Exim Bank, Export Import Bank, the bank which support exporting and importing of goods. Then central bank, you know very well in India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India is known as the central bank, which controls the whole banking sector in India. So remember, it is owned by the central government. So these are all the different types of banks. Please remember all these words. Then what are the different functions of commercial bank? It is very easy to remember. The basic functions is divided into two: primary function and secondary function. Primary function and secondary function. So they are accepting a lot of deposits, that is coming under primary function, then lending money, and the different secondary function involves agency services, general utility services, So they are doing a lot of function for the public. So we will learn the concept of functions of commercial banks in the next video. So remember, banks plays a great role by providing financial assistance for the business people. So they have a prominent role in the business sector. Four types of banks are there: commercial bank, specialized bank, central bank, then cooperative bank. They are providing two different forms of services or function for the needy people, that is the primary function and the secondary function. Primary function include accepting deposit and lending money. Secondary function include agency services and general utility services. So go through the basic video related to banking and develop your own concept. We will learn the different functions in detail in the next video lesson.